Hello, this is the 15th video from the Tech Hub project, and on this 15th product from the project, we had a souvenir with specific theme. So here it's a stylized letter book, and let's make the 3D model for this souvenir. Good. So as usual, we will start in SolidWorks, a new part. In this part, we will create a sketch on the plane, on front plane, as I usually create, and there we will create a rectangle. Okay, let's start this. So take a part. On this part, go and take sketch on this plane and create a center rectangle. So from center of the sketch, take a rectangle and put the dimensions, and should be 50 or 40. So here would be 50 millimeters and here will be 40 millimeters. Exit from sketch, go here, and we will see that we will extrude this with 2 millimeters. So go to feature, take extrude and say 2 millimeters. Double enter to validate the operation. Okay, after that, create a new sketch on the front plane, use line command to create a book's base, use offset command 2 millimeters. Okay, so just create a line and offset it with 2 millimeters. Okay, so just create a sketch on this face, look perpendicular to it, create a line from top, yes, from here to here, and create two lines with offset at 2 millimeters. So say one there and one there. Okay, once and one there again. Okay, so I create the lines. Yes, and here will be a cut with 0.5. So just make this to be for construction and close the contour. Here we can use a rectangle. It's not necessary to create it this way. Yes. Okay, and cut this with 0.5 millimeters. So take extrude cut and show this rectangle and cut it with 0.5 millimeters. Yes, so here is a groove like this. It's a little groove there. Okay, the teacher sketch is an arc. Yes, so just an arc and close the profile. Okay, so create a sketch on this face. Yes, look perpendicular to it like this, and create a baseline. Yes, let me see. So we create a baseline, but before of that baseline, let me create this, and here should be an, and you just create it like this. And that's how you can freeform it. Yes, so this is a freeform feature. Now let me see to make it, how to say it, to be like in that sketch. Something like this at mid. So this point with this point should be on same vertical. Yes, and just take these two and work with them in order how you like to do that. And should be 42 millimeters. So from origin to here it will be 21 millimeters. Yes, so this will be a 21. And let's say this I want to have, I don't know how many millimeters to say it, 6 maybe, 5 millimeters. Sorry, this. I think it's enough. And let me make it a little bit like this. Good. Now just make mirror entities. In order to make a mirror entities, you should choose this one and this one, and mirror about origin. But because the origin is just a point, we need an axis. So I will just create an axis here. So take mirror and say this element and this element about my axis, and it's here. Yes, and close it here. And with this profile, we just close it at 36.5. So it will be 36.5. Okay, exit. Go to feature, extrude, and say I want to extrude this in opposite with 30. That's it. Yes. You can see here it's 36.5. Okay, next one is to create these corners. Yes, 2.91 or 93, depends, so it's not so important. Okay, here, and we will close this page here. So what we need is this line until here and until this, and just close this. We need this length 2.9. Let's create it. It's enough for me. Okay, it's it from Sketch. Extrude this with same long. Yes, yes, very good. So this is my pages, and just make a mirror about which plane. This one. Oh, this one, and validate. And this is the result. Yes, these are my pages on my open book. Okay, add feature, make a fillet where inside width 2 millimeters. Let's try fillet 2 millimeters on this edge. No, I don't like. I think it's too big. Let me try 0.5 millimeters. I think it's enough, 0.5 for this. Not 2. For me, 2 is too big. Okay, create a plane on tangent surface here and create what we want to add. It's not necessary to create a tangent plane. No. Why? Because look, plane, so I can create a plane on this face and on this face, and this doesn't work. Yes, so in this case what I can do is to create a plane parallel to this at distance of, I don't know, 10 millimeters on flip, of course, and it's almost, because I don't need a very big precision here. It's enough for me. Just create like this and create sketch on this plane, of course. This is why this plane was created. Okay, but I will rotate it in this way to see the book. Yes, and hide the plane. Good, and here I can write something, and this is a sign. Yes, it's some figure, and let's say I want something different, or yes, so I will create something different. I don't know what I will do, but let me try to figure out something different. And here, of course, will be a line, so I will close this profile because I will just make it twice. So that's it. Just part that I mentioned. Okay, let's say I want the length to be 27.5. Here I want an angle of 30 degrees. I don't know why. 4 millimeters. Yes. This I want to be 6 millimeters. This on same vertical. This with this on same vertical, and here I want to have 10 millimeters. Yes. Here I want to have 7 millimeters, and here I want to have 7 millimeters. This should be 3.5. This should be 2 millimeters, and this should be 1.5 millimeters. I don't know why. This is what I want. Okay, and what we need, this is also required 3.5. I think this should be 2. Yes. Check what is moving here. Okay, so now from origin, this should be from origin to here at 12. Yes, and this from origin should be at 15.75, let's say. Okay, sketch. Go to feature, extrude cut, show the profile, go in that opposite 1 millimeters, 1.5, let's say. Cut it. And I cut half of it. And of course, now I can make a mirror and say mirror face should be this and who and this. And let me, no, it's too big. Let's just a little bit change here. Let's say it should be 9 millimeters and this distance should be 10 or 10, because the second one doesn't can come here. So make a mirror. Yes, so the mirror face is this and the feature is the last cut, something like this. Yes, and validate. And it should be a little bit deeper because it's not enough. Yes, it should be more bigger, more. I don't know, something like this. Yes, so this can be a sign for your friend. Let's say you have some specific sign with your friend, but this can be more thinner. 6 here 4, so let me make a little bit 4 point. Distance also can be okay, so this is more accurate sign and is too deep now. 5 millimeters, let me try 3 millimeters. It's too deep. 1.5. Yes, it's enough. And let me make a little bit centered. So this should be not at 7, at 9 millimeters. Let me try 9. Yes, so now 9.5, let's say. Okay, now I like it. And this was the sign that I create on this feature. And here should be 2 millimeters because it's not protruded all. Now it's all protruded. Yes, you saw the corner and so on. So this is my sign. And let's see what is there next one. So the colors, and you can apply a different type of effects, and just let's say it's black inside. Yes. And the book should be, let's say, yellow page, like the press. Yes, and the rest of them should be, green. Let's say. Yes, so we can do the green rest, and that's my sign. Yes, this is a specific gift for something that love to read, and this is the sign of that person. So you can make this design, personalize it, customize it, and make it on 3D printer and use it like a gift. Thank you for watching this video and wait for you on next one. Bye.